Welcome to my channel. Why global buyers prefer Indian scientific glassware manufacturers for OEM production. Step 1. Premium borosilicate glass quality. Indian manufacturers use high-quality borosilicate glass that offers excellent resistance to heat, chemicals, and thermal shock. This ensures laboratory equipment performs safely and lasts longer. Step 2. Competitive manufacturing costs. Global buyers can reduce production expenses by choosing Indian OEM manufacturers. They receive quality products at competitive prices, making large-scale sourcing more affordable. Step 3. Custom OEM production. Indian manufacturers provide customized manufacturing services based on customer requirements. Buyers can choose product dimensions, branding, logos, packaging, and technical specifications. Step 4. Skilled manufacturing experts. Experienced engineers and skilled technicians carefully manufacture scientific glassware with precision. Their expertise helps maintain consistent quality across every production batch. Step 5. Wide range of laboratory glassware. Indian OEM manufacturers produce a complete range of laboratory glassware, including beakers, flasks, test tubes, burettes, pipettes, condensers, measuring cylinders, and many custom products. Step 6. Strict quality inspection. Every product is inspected during different stages of production. Manufacturers check the glass thickness, dimensions, finish, and durability to ensure every item meets international quality standards. Step 7. Strong export experience. Many Indian manufacturers have years of experience exporting scientific glassware worldwide. They understand international quality requirements, documentation, and shipping processes, making global trade easier. Step 8. Flexible order quantities. Whether a customer needs a small sample order or a large OEM production run, Indian manufacturers can efficiently handle different order sizes while maintaining consistent product quality. Step 9. Safe packaging and timely delivery. Scientific glassware is packed using durable export-quality materials to reduce the risk of damage during transportation. Reliable logistics help ensure products reach buyers on schedule. Step 10. Trusted long-term OEM partnerships. Reliable quality, timely deliveries, and excellent support make Indian scientific glassware manufacturers trusted OEM partners worldwide. Contact us for product inquiries, bulk orders, and reliable support.